Saving can feel overwhelming for first-timers, but Start Smart makes it simple. Open the Start Smart setup in minutes with guided, friendly steps. Pick a goal: emergency fund, big purchase, or just building habit. Choose automatic transfers from your checking. Set frequency and amount. Enable roundups to save spare change from everyday transactions automatically. The clean UI shows progress, nudges, and easy edits in seconds. Start Smart uses smart defaults so you never overcommit your budget. Automated savings build steady momentum without manual effort or constant decisions. Seeing your progress increases confidence. Small wins add up quickly. It's designed for first-time savers. Low barriers, clear guidance, and flexibility. Getting started takes under 5 minutes. You can adjust anytime. Try Start Smart today and take the first easy step towards secure savings.